you want some soup on your rice?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Easy. Eat. So today we have a burong Kapampangan.
What is today?
Today is Thursday. Okay? And these are the eggplant with egg. We have a green mustard. We have some cherry. We got pork barbecue, Filipino recipe. And we got pork sinigang. Come on, let's go eat. Tell them let's eat.
Let's eat.
Let's eat the yummy food. My samgyupsal Kapampangan. Buro at mustasa. Mm. Kain po. Ang sarap. Wala kaming isda ngayon. Sa rep. Ito lang yung nasa rep namin, kaya ito muna. Marami na to. Kasusunod na lang yung isda. Wala na akong isda. So good.
So good.
So good.
So
Cherry
good.
tomato.
Cherry tomato.
This is the eggplant with egg that I cooked. Good. Don't forget your rice. So good. It's better than the restaurant. Yeah. Yan, mustasa, green mustard. It's a fresh green mustard then. Buro. Yeah. Sure. It's so good. Guys, come on, let's eat. Ito yung masarap ng ulo. Yan. Sarap.
Yes.
I love it. Do you love it?
Yes.
Which one is your favorite?
I want barbecue and rice and soup and barbecue and bananas.
And bananas, okay. Yan po yung gusto niya, yung barbecue, yung sinigang, yung rice.
And don't forget
and
my
banana.
water.
And don't forget the water. Hindi niya binanggit yung buro, yung mustasa, yung shrimp. Kasi ayaw niya. Ang sarap. Grabe. Kain po tayo. Madalang lang kumain yung ganito. Sarap ng buro. You want your rice?
Oh, it's a big one.
Wow, lucky you.
You can try that one on this.
I guess I can keep this one. Let's try.
Go.
It's so good. Parang siyang harap. It's so good. It's sweet. Parang tocino lang. Ang sarap. Eggplant with buro. Sarap.
It's my man. I look like a man. I look like a man.
You look like a man?
It's just a barbecue.
Does you have a beard?
Yes, it's a beard.
Yeah. Okay, come and eat. Make sure you eat a lot so that you become healthy, bigger, taller, and stronger and healthier.
I can look like Kuya.
Yeah, you'll be like Kuya, big boy. Kuya means big brother.
I want to eat a lot.
Yeah, good job. Come on, don't forget your rice.
Can I have some more rice and more sauce on there?
Okay, you want this? Oh, stop. Okay,
And there's more.
don't put a lot because you already have
It's
in
enough,
here.
It's enough.
Okay.
It's enough.
Okay,
it's
go ahead and eat.
It's gross.
Si Liam gusto niya yung shrimp. Any seafoods. Si Liam. Yan. Mahilig to si Liam any kind of seafood. Come on guys, let's eat. Mustasa and buro. Yan, buro. Samgyupsal, Kapampangan.
Abba-dabba-dip. 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 Easy press, easy press, easy poncha. And then the kiss is the real. Red hot, get on, yeah. And the somewhere the real.
Wow, galing.
Don't tomorrow, baby. Don't tomorrow, now. It's tomorrow, that's crazy. I gotta see the apple. Is it gonna get it? Is it get it? If it's gonna get it real. Red hot, get on, yeah. Is it somewhere the real?
Mhm.
1, 2, 3.
Good job! Malapit na ako matapos. Sige guys, thank you for watching.